Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, blue color, sky blue color, silver color, purple color, brown color, pink color, black color, white color, red color, light green color, orange color and yellow color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. So kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. So kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.